Hi everybody, Basso Contour here, and today we're taking a look at this 22-inch black+decker cordless hedge trimmer.
Now, installing the 18-volt battery pack is really simple to either remove or to slap in a new one. Just takes a few seconds. Now, the product does have a safety interlock, so you first have to push the upper button before you can start the trimmer.
Well, I like hawthorn bushes, but this one has got a little bit out of control and it needs to be trimmed down. Here we go. This one's a little bit thicker. Let's see how it works. So you can see I've sort of reached the limit on this limb right here.
Now you can see here the limb that we sort of got stuck on, and I was a little curious the size of this limb, and the diameter is roughly speaking ½ inch or perhaps a little more than that. So practically speaking, that's all I was able to do. And if you look at the trimmer itself, it technically could go perhaps up to 3/4 of an inch as advertised. My tradition is to oil the hedge trimmer a little bit after a big workout.
Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, everybody.